Today I want to tackle two very important questions I receive all the time. And that's, what is a healthcare agent, and how do I choose the right person for the job? Well, basically, a healthcare agent is the person who will carry out your wishes about things like life support, resuscitation, feeding tubes, and the like, if you are incapacitated and unable to speak for yourself. Your healthcare agent will also have the responsibility of handling the day-to-day tasks and decision-making regarding your medical care, including medication administration, handling blood and blood products, diagnostic tests, dialysis, surgery, long-term care, such as a nursing home assistant or home health care, hiring and firing medical personnel, determining who can and cannot visit you during your hospital stay, and getting court authorization to obtain or withhold treatment if your wishes are not honored by a doctor or other healthcare professional. So, now that you know what a healthcare agent does, let's talk about how you should choose. To be perfectly clear about it, the choice of a healthcare agent requires very serious consideration. I realize at the outset this may seem like an easy choice, but as an estate planning lawyer, I find this to be one of the hardest decisions people have to make when doing their estate plan. Remember, your healthcare agent could be called on to make some of the most difficult and heart-wrenching decisions they've ever faced in their life. The job could also be time-consuming, stressful, and emotionally draining, depending on the nature of the emergency. So for these reasons, I always recommend my clients to look at 3 specific qualifications when narrowing people down for the job. The first, of course, is location. That's because in a true medical emergency, your healthcare agent may be called upon to make round-the-clock decisions until you are stable. If that occurs, you'll want someone who lives close enough to meet with the doctors and visit the hospital whenever necessary. That brings us to the second qualification, which is medical understanding. Now, by medical understanding, I don't mean that your healthcare agent needs a PhD in science or biology to do the job. But you do want someone who is capable of understanding your medical condition and any choices presented to him or her by the doctors overseeing your care. And of course, this may also mean that you need to weed out candidates who are overly squeamish or emotional about medical subjects to ensure the best decisions are made on your behalf. Finally, and most importantly, you'll want to choose someone who is loyal. The person you choose as healthcare agent should feel a sense of loyalty to you and your wishes so that you know without a shadow of a doubt your preferences will be carried out in the face of emotional stress, personal disagreement, or even pressure from other family members to make decisions and do things that you would not want. So hopefully that answers your questions about what a healthcare agent does and how to choose the right person. Of course, if you still have questions about this or you need help getting your health directive in place, please contact our office at 949-260-1400. I'll look forward to speaking to you then.